how it looks. Let us see if it's going to leave any white cast.
3:45 a.m.
So guys, this is my first time taking this vlog, I think so. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys a few things that I got, that I ordered, and they just got delivered like a few days ago. Also, I wanted to, let's rant a little bit because it's been a very long time. As you guys know, I went to Nairobi, then I came back, and since then my life has been a mess. So but before I get started catching up with you guys, let me just give you guys just a little haul. I ordered a few things, and yeah, let me just show you guys what I got. First of all, I got myself this double-sided tape because I wanted to use it to put up these pictures on the wall. I used the normal tape, but I folded it. And then I also got myself this I think it's a concealer. Yeah, Pop Fill Concealer. So I thought this is going to be a little bit bigger, but it turns out it's very, very, I was even shocked when I got it. So this is how it looks. It's called the Pop Fill Full Cover Concealer. This is how it looks, and yeah. And then the other thing, I got myself some lashes, a set of lashes, because I want to practice doing lashes on myself. So this is how it came. It came in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows. By the way, it was filled throughout, and I just put some on my sister. So that's why some places are halfway used. So this is how they look. Yeah, I want to do them now, by the way. That's why I decided to give you guys a haul. And yeah, also I got myself something that I've always wanted to get for the longest time. So I decided to get myself the Dr. Rachel sunscreen. It's the 60 plus SPF, and I was looking for an affordable sunscreen, but also doesn't leave white casts. And I've heard a lot about this sunscreen. It has good reviews. I have a lot to tell you guys. Ooh, so satisfying. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's big. It's big. So So this is how it looks, and yeah, I don't want to put it on now because I'm in the house, but I heard you are supposed to put sunscreen on even if you're in the house. Let me just try. It's lightweight, by the way. I heard it's lightweight, and also from the, yeah, you see it's moving, you see. Let us see if it's going to leave any white cast. You guys can see. So as you guys know, I went to Nairobi and I got back a week ago. Jet lag kicked in. I have been unmotivated, tired, and just I didn't want to do anything, so I haven't been filming. That's why I decided to catch up with you guys. So I got here a week back and I did these lines on my hair. I currently Mombasa is too hot. That's why I just prefer doing like just braiding my hair alone and not using braids, because when you use braids, first of all, I don't like irritation. So when I use braids, I find myself only staying with the braids for only a week or two and just taking them out. I'm not rich, but I don't like the heat. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking around.